Hello everyone and welcome back to ScorpioTech. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions on the 2022 ASUS ROG Flow Z13. The Flow Z13 is a laptop and tablet hybrid packed full of some incredible specs. This specific model features a 14-core i9-12900H CPU, RTX 3050 Ti mobile GPU, 16GB of DDR5 RAM and a beautiful 120Hz display. These high-end specs make this an extremely versatile device that is not only easy to use but also performs incredibly well in all day-to-day tasks. Before I get into more details about the Flow Z13, I have to say that the unboxing experience was awesome. The unique box design and presentation of the tablet made it feel very premium, and with an eye-watering starting price of £1,900, you would certainly hope so. But with that said, the one thing myself and many other tech creators agree on is that ASUS are doing an incredible job at innovating and experimenting with their products, which ultimately improves tech for all of us. Clearly with this price tag, this isn't going to be some tech that everyone is flocking to get, but the fact that they can cram such an incredibly vast feature set into a tablet is honestly mind-blowing. The Z13 has an incredibly sturdy build with adequate ventilation and a quick snap magnetic keyboard attachment on the bottom. On the right it has a power button with a built-in fingerprint reader, volume rocker, USB for external peripherals and a headphone jack. On the left side we've got a USB-C port for charging and a ROG XG connector if you want to superpower this tablet with an external GPU. The keyboard actually feels pretty nice to type on, although it does suffer slightly from warping in the center due to how thin it is. It connects back in seconds just by snapping it onto the bottom of the tablet, making it extremely easy and versatile to use. The setup process for the Flow Z13 was also extremely speedy and intuitive. I don't think that I've even mentioned yet that this is a fully touchscreen device and it can be used completely in tablet form or as a laptop depending on your needs. It also wouldn't be an ASUS ROG product without some unique RGB elements on the back of the tablet and of course the keyboard. In addition, this tablet also features a pretty great front and back camera, which makes it ideal for Zoom calls, Discord hangouts, or maybe even doing a little dancey dance if you feel so inclined. This beautiful 13.4-inch display has a resolution of 1920 by 1200, which is an aspect ratio of 16 by 10, and as I mentioned earlier, it's also 120Hz, making it an absolute pleasure to use. Thanks to the overkill specs, general usage on the Flow Z13 is practically flawless. Everything loads almost instantaneously and makes workflow, well, just flow, which I guess makes the product name make a lot more sense. Anyway, excuse my train of thought. Aside from the workflow advantages, the Flow Z13 is also excellent for watching movies and series. Just take a look.
Discovered something incredible. A way to harness magic through science.
You don't understand what's at stake. Power doesn't come to those who are born.
Aside from the overly glossy screen, the viewing experience was otherwise brilliant, and the sound incredibly exceeded my expectations. But what about gaming on the Flow Z13? I guess I was slightly disappointed with the gaming performance. For easier to run games like Rocket League and Valorant, I had some stuttering issues on medium settings, so I did have to drop the quality down to low and bring the resolution down to 720p for them to become playable. However, they are still perfectly enjoyable to play at these settings on a really beautiful display, and you've got to remember at the end of the day, this is a tablet. Big thanks to ASUS for loaning out the Flow Z13 for me to test out and share with you guys, but as always, all thoughts and opinions are my own. Thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel if you're new. I hope to see you all in the next video. See ya, nerds.